How to fix photo quality on Tinder. Notice that your Tinder photos look blurry or lose quality after uploading. You are not alone. In this video, I will show you why Tinder lowers photo quality and how to fix it for crisp, high-resolution images. So let's get started. Now let's get to know why Tinder lowers the photo quality. Tinder compresses images to save storage and load faster, but this can ruin the quality. Here is why it happens. Image compression, wrong aspect ratio, uploading from screenshots, and low quality camera or filters. Now how to fix the Tinder photo quality. Step 1 is to use high resolution images. Tinder works best with images at least 640 into 640 pixels, but higher is better. Upload original photos, not the screenshots or the downloaded versions. Step 2 is to resize your photos before uploading. Tinder's ideal aspect ratio is 4:5 or square. Use a free tool like Canva or Adobe Express to crop and resize your image before uploading. Another step is to avoid over-editing and filters. Avoid extreme sharpening, filters, or heavy compression when saving images. Keep natural lighting and clarity to maintain quality. And the final step is to upload photos directly from your phone's gallery. If you use social media imports like Facebook, Tinder may compress them even more. Always upload directly from your phone's photo gallery. And that's how you fix the blurry photos on Tinder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.